What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're coming back stronger than ever. We got what, two videos within the last week or two.
Yeah.
It's more than we've had all winter. We're finally coming back out of our shells. We're kind of hibernating all winter. We're gonna start off the season by installing an angle kit on Jay's car. He got an FDF kit. It replaces basically the whole front suspension. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and start taking off the wheel. But before all that, got a little bit of news. 240 sold last night. So yeah, it was a fun build, but don't worry because the owner is someone that I know. So actually got to finish the car here in the shop and finish the series on it. So I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. But other than that, I'm gonna be looking for a new drift car. I have a few things in mind that I'm probably gonna be looking into later this week. Something newer, definitely. Something with probably more power from the factory. Alright, we got the angle kit all installed. We have the alignment completely done. Goes on the road straight as an arrow. Show them that. Look at that.
And it's actually, the tire's straight up and down. So
yeah.
I mean, I guess it's kind of tell the hard part right here. But it's definitely a lot more. Wait.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to have to zip tie some shit. Definitely going to have to zip tie some shit.
Way more than stock though, man.
Way more. I probably would say I probably got about 50%.
Yeah.
Or 50 degrees.
50 degrees, yeah, I agree.
For sure. I'm going to lower the front a little bit, I think. So just a little bit. Maybe get some extended stuff. But it drives straight, took it down the road. We just went to a private spot. Fucking sent it, dude. Oh my God, the angle is insane. I thought I was going to spin out, and I didn't. It was nuts, man. Holy shit.
Hell yeah.
Holy shit. It's gonna wear out my tires driving with that much camber, but it is what it is. It's the name of the game. I'll buy more. You know? Let's say goodbye to Jaw. Jaw was giving us a helping hand in his G35. So shout out to FDF. for this fucking angle kit. Like, they did a wonderful job, fucking welds.
I mean, overall, it wasn't that bad of a kit. Overall, it wasn't that bad of a kit. There is definitely some improvements. They could do a dual Heim joint so you can adjust stuff without taking it off, you know, unbolting it and twisting it. But for the money, the price, it's right. I wasn't really sure until I drove it myself, and there's no noises. Everything seems to be pretty tight. I definitely recommend though, after tonight, tomorrow, dig up in the air and just tighten everything, make sure everything's, you know, all still nice and solid. Goes on the road perfectly straight though. There's no crazy torque steer, bump steer. Really, it's not bad. I would definitely drive it myself. So I think if you're on a fixed budget, or if you're just, you know, you don't have a 1,000 horsepower car and you just want an angle kit, it's definitely better than rack spacers, you know, or a homemade kit. I've never seen a Wisefab, so I can't really compare. But to PBM, PBM I think is a little more involved, and it's, I mean, for the money, I think that this is right. This PBM, the only thing I didn't like was how you had to cut the factory knuckles and modify them. But PBM, you get more angle though, so that is the difference. Overall though, it's a great kit, it worked out fine, and we will know the first event, you know, how he does, and it's a whole other ball game. So he's gonna have to learn how to use the angle kit to his advantage, because, I mean, he's able to drive a lot more aggressively now than he was before, so just a little bit different, I guess.